Let's start Lesson 11 Rocks and Minerals. Learning Objectives. Rocks, Types of Rocks, Minerals, Coal, Petroleum. Let's start learning. We see different types of materials around us. Some materials are made up of rocks and minerals. We use rocks and minerals for various purposes. Let's read further to know about some of them. Rocks. Mountains, hills, and valleys are made up of rocks. Rocks are solid substances found on the surface of the earth. They are made up of minerals or other mineral-like substances. There are different types of rocks found around the world. Some are solid while some are semi-solid. Rocks come in a variety of colors, shapes, and size. Types of rocks. There are three different types of rocks, namely 1. Igneous rocks, 2. Sedimentary rocks, 3. Metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rocks. For the teacher. Discuss in the class about various types of rocks and minerals found in nature. Also take them to a garden and show them some rocks. Igneous rocks. The word igneous comes from the Latin word ignis, which means fire. Igneous rock is formed when magma cools and solidifies above or below the Earth's surface. Magma can be forced into rocks, blown out in a volcanic explosions, or forced to the surface as lava. The atoms and molecules of melted minerals are what make up magma. These atoms and molecules rearrange themselves into mineral grains as the magma cools, forming rock. There are over 700 different types of igneous rocks. Some examples of igneous rocks include basalt, granite, pumic, and obsidian. 1. Pumic. It is soft and light colored rock. It has many holes formed by air bubbles trapped in it at the time of formation. It is used as a scrubber to remove rough skin from the body. Pumic. 2. Obsidian. It is a dark, shiny and layered rock appearing like glass and having edges. It is used for making tools. Obsidian. 3. Basalt. It is black or dark brown smooth rock. It is used to test the purity of gold by goldsmiths. Basalt. 4. Granite. It is the most common rock. It contains two minerals, quartz and feldspar. It is widely used in construction. Polished granite is used for flooring. It is also used for making statues. Granite. Sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks form when mud and sand are deposited in layers on the Earth's surface. The layers are deposited in many environments including oceans, rivers and deserts. These layers of sand and mud are later buried. The weight of overlying layers compresses the mud and sand to form solid rock. Examples of sedimentary rocks include limestone, sandstone, mudstone, conglomerate, chalk, coal, claystone and flint. 1. Sandstone. It is formed when the sand becomes cemented with some minerals. It is a soft rock. It can be yellow, brown, pink or red in color. Red Fort, Delhi is made of sandstone. Sandstone. 2. Conglomerate. It consists of gravel, stones and pebbles. All these solidify to form an uneven rock called conglomerate. It can be orange or grey in color. It was once used as millstones for grinding corn. Conglomerate. 3. Limestone. It is mainly made of minerals of calcium, calcium carbonate. Some of it is formed from seashells, corals and bones of animals. It is used to make bricks and glass. It is also used to make quicklime, chalk and cement. Limestone. 4. Shale. It is formed from clay and mud deposited in river beds. Shale is grey in color. It is made of parallel layers which readily split into flat pieces. It is used to make tiles and bricks. It is also mixed with limestone to make cement. Shale. 5. Dolomite. It is mainly made of magnesium. Like limestone, it can be used in the manufacture of cement and also to extract magnesium. Dolomite. Metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks are the third type of rocks. They are formed from other rocks that are changed because of heat or pressure. Earth movements can cause rocks to be deeply buried or squeezed. As a result, the rocks are heated and put under great pressure. They do not melt, but the minerals they contain are changed chemically, forming metamorphic rocks. Quartzite, marble, slate, and Igneous are some examples of these types of rocks. 1. Marble. Marble is pure and hardened limestone. It is hard, smooth, and crystalline. It is a precious building material which is generally white in color. 2. Slate. It is hardened shale. It is formed by smooth, black and hard stone in fine layers. It splits easily into thin layers. It is used as tiles for roofing and also for blackboards, slates and flooring. 3. Quartzite. Hardened sandstone is called quartzite. As it is too hard, it cannot be used as building material, but to make statues. 4. Igneous. It is a metamorphic rock of granite. It has light and dark bands like streaks. Polished igneous can be used as tiles for flooring. Marble, slate, quartzite, igneous. 5. Mica. It is a shiny transparent material found in thin layers. It is used in many appliances where heat and current are involved. It is fire and electricity resistant. It is also used in spaceships. Mica. Minerals. All rocks are made up of minerals. Minerals can be metallic or non-metallic. Minerals have different shapes, sizes and colors. We use different minerals for different purposes. Hematite, bauxite, cinnabar and pyrite are some of the metallic minerals. From metallic minerals, metals can be extracted. Such minerals are known as ores. Some examples are given below. Name of the mineral ore. Metal obtained. Hematite, iron. Bauxite, aluminium. Cinnabar, mercury. Zinc blende, zinc. Pyrite, copper. Hematite, iron. Bauxite, aluminium. Cinnabar, mercury. Zinc blende, zinc. Pyrite, copper. Non-metallic minerals can be solid, liquid or gas. Coal and petroleum are the most common non-metallic minerals. Coal. Coal is a black or brownish black sedimentary rock. It is a fossil fuel. It is formed from the dead remains of plants and animals that buried in the soil for millions of years. Due to the heat from the interior of the earth and the pressure above, these dead plants change into coal. Coal is rich in carbon and can be used as fuel. In India, coal mines are found in Singareni, Andhra Pradesh, Dhanbad, Jharkhand, Raniganj, West Bengal, Sohagpur, Madhya Pradesh, Neyveli, Tamil Nadu. Uses of coal. Coal is used as cooking fuel. It is also used as a fuel in steam engines, factories and furnaces. It is used in power plants to produce electricity and in the extraction of metals. Types of coal. There are 4 varieties of coal: peat, lignite, bituminous and anthracite. Peat, lignite, bituminous coal, anthracite. Petroleum. Petroleum terms comes from the Latin word petra means rock and oleum means oil. It is a mineral oil found in rocks. It is also a fossil fuel like coal. Half of the fuel used on the earth is petroleum. It is formed by the dead remains of plants and animals under seabed which were covered by sand and clay millions of years ago. Many fuels are extracted from petroleum like petrol, kerosene, diesel, etc. by the process called fractional distillation. Paraffin wax and Epsom salt are also extracted from petroleum. It is also known as liquid gold. Let's revise. Rocks and minerals are natural resources. Rocks are made of minerals. Rocks are of 3 types: igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic. Coal and petroleum are fossil fuels. Minerals are either metallic or non-metallic.